Welcome to Intermediate Algebra. I'm your instructor, Amy Barnsley, and I just wanted to introduce myself so that you could see who I am, because we're not working face-to-face. You're not going to get to see me in front of a chalkboard every day. I grew up in Alaska on the Kenai Peninsula, and I came to Fairbanks in 1990, and I've been a teacher since 1994. I taught elementary school and middle school and high school, and I've been teaching at the university since 2005. All my degrees are from UIF, and I teach here. I love UIF. I think it's a great school. And some of you are in Fairbanks, and lots of you are out and about in other places. This class is mostly self-taught, but there's lots of support, and I'm here. You can email me questions, and I'm really good at explaining answers over an email, and we can talk on the phone. And there's support videos, the tutorials. Click on those and look at those as many times as you need. And the textbook is a fine textbook. It's not great, but it's fine. You have Khan Academy, and I'll give you some links and some ideas for things to search, looking up information and videos that'll help you. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm here to help you. And so any way I can, I will use your UAF generated email address. That's very important. So you need to check that, set it up to where it's forwarded to your own email. And then that's how I'll be able to get a hold of you. And I will have my email with me most of the time. I sometimes return it from my iPhone, so you'll see a personal email on there. Either of my emails is fine, and I'll check it quite often. So feel free anytime, day or night, to email me, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Sometimes it might not be as quick as you'd like, but I will get back with you. Okay, welcome to the class. Thanks. See you in class. Bye.